Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about that WD hard disk or hard drives. Many time it happens with us that we have installed WD hard drive or hard disk into our laptop or computer, or we use external hard disk. Many time it happens with us that hard disk get out of order, and then we think that what we can do. When we check that it is on the warranty period, then we think that we can easily get data recovered by WD, but there is a catch. WD never give you the data back. Yes, you listening very right. You can't even take that data back from WD, but keep watch the video till the end. Then I'm going to helping you out that what you have to do and how you have to do. If our hard disk in warranty, then we should take a letter from WD about authenticating that you can easily get data recovered from any company, and they will open your hard drive and they will try to access your platter and other things of the disk. Then they can easily try to get the fetch the data of your hard drive. Now what we have to do, we have to just call the WD support team and ask them that I have a hard disk and its warranty period is about to this date, and you want, I mean, you tell them then I want to get my data back. Then what I have to do, they will mail you a form, and in that you have to just give the detail of the company from where you want to get the data recovered. Yes, you are listening very right. WD has no option for data recovery, and they not gonna pay you for that data recovery. You have to do it your on. But if you want to catch the warranty of that hard drive, you want to get replacement of that hard drive, then you have to just do a thing that you have to give the all the details before opening the hard drive to WD, and after that they will permit you. Then you can easily take the hard drive to the you can take that hard drive to data recovery center, and they will do, and after that they will replace your hard drive without any hesitation if your hard drive is open too. Hope you understand that how you can do all the process. That is very easy, and you can't even take data recovered from WD. That's sure, I have tried many times. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.